represented Mr. Matthews. Is that right, Ms. Bell?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Matthews?
Thank you, Your Honor. I am in receipt of this additional evidence. I did mention in chambers that I do have some concerns about the admissibility of these images without there being some sort of sufficient foundation as to how they are generated and what they are actually showing. But aside from that, Mr. Burrell has just asked me to file his certificate of live birth, and I do not know the relevance of that, and perhaps is that something you want to address with the court, Mr. Burrell?
Yes, Your Honor. I've been sick in the hospital for a couple of days. I haven't had a chance to really file the paperwork that I want to file to the court. I have a certificate of live birth here that's stating my status.
What's your status?
Alive.
I assume you're alive since you're sitting here.
Okay, but you know, sometimes the courts assume that you are a corporate entity.
Are you a corporate entity?
I'm not.
Okay. I don't assume you're a corporate entity. I assume that
Okay.
you're Mr. Burrell sitting in front of me. So,
Right.
so you want to file a certificate of live birth to prove that you're a person?
I'm not a person.
What are you?
I'm I'm not a citizen.
Well,
I'm,
you said, are you a person or are you not a person?
I'm not a person. I'm indigenous.
What does that mean?
I'm an American. I was born in this country.
Okay.
I'm not a United States citizen. I'm not.
What are you?
What a definition
What,
of a
what do you
citizen.
have citizen? What are you a citizen of? Are you a citizen of some other entity?
I'm not a citizen of anything.
You're not a citizen of anything.
No.
Okay.
A citizen is a corporate fiction.
A corporate fiction?
Yeah, I mean, it's a definition. Like I said, this is the problem, Your Honor. Me and Mr. Matthews is having a hard time coming to an agreement about whether he's defending me or he's working with the prosecutor. We, a lot of this evidence and stuff that's been presented to the court.
Nothing's been presented to me because we haven't had a trial yet.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. What's been presented to me, he's under the impression that I'm guilty or that he sees things that he doesn't see. And I've been trying, it's like we can't, if he's representing me or here on my behalf, then
So
it's not showing.
Is it your position that you don't like how Mr. Matthews evaluated the evidence in this case as it relates to
Not
you?
only the evidence, but
Okay.
just his whole attitude towards me, and period. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's clear I didn't have anything on me.
Well, that's why we have trials. The purpose of a trial is for 12 people to sit here,
Okay.
listen to the evidence, and make a decision as to whether you did or did not do what you're accused of doing beyond a reasonable doubt. If they find that you didn't do it beyond a reasonable doubt, then you're acquitted.
I agree, sir. But
Okay.
with that being said, it's things I'm asking him to do, and that is my right for him to do, whether or not he believes it's okay. So if I ask him to file something into the clerk of courts, it's my right to file those things.
So he's not filing something for you?
Well, I just asked him to, and he's made an argument of it when it should have just been something he did.
What was it that you asked him that he won't, that he's
What I wanted
arguing?
him to, just to have it on the record, was my certificate of live birth, whether or not you.
I mean, what is that? Tell me, let's say that the certificate of live birth is filed.
Okay.
What impact does that have on your trial?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
Not at all. But
Well,
I do want to know.
Mr. Matthews is under an obligation as a member of a lawyer in good standing with the Supreme Court to file things that are done in good faith and are relevant. I mean, you could ask Mr. Matthews to file a copy of high school graduation certificate, and that has no relevance to this case, and he would be under no obligation to file it. So you want him to file your certificate of life, your certificate of live birth, to show something that you have just told me you don't know that it means anything.
Well, I know that it means something. I just don't think that everybody else.
What does it mean?
Something. I just want on record that I'm not a citizen.
Well, you just said you are a
I
citizen.
never said I was a citizen.
You're an American.
I'm an American.
Okay, so if you're not a citizen, what impact does that have on your trial for next week?
I just want it on record.
Okay.
It's not. I don't need any impact on the trial.
If you believe, okay, and if I believe that the filing of your birth certificate means you're not a citizen, what impact does that have on your trial?
I'm not looking for an impact. I just want it on the record.
Well, it's on the
my
record.
safety.
It's on the record. You believe you're not
Okay.
a citizen. Okay, now what?
All right, and then also I asked.
Well,
them-
no, wait. Let's take one thing at a time.
Okay.
You've put on the record, because she's recording all this.
Yeah,
okay,
I got that.
that you're not a citizen. Okay. So now what should we do as a result of that?
I mean, I just want my indigenous rights.
What are
That's
your
all.
indigenous rights?
You haven't looked at them?
No. You told me you want your indigenous rights. Tell me what your indigenous rights are.
Well, I know I fall under a certain constitution.
Which
and not
constitution?
under the American Constitution.
Okay, you fall under the American Constitution, okay?
I believe so, yeah.
So I believe so too.
You know, the Pope put out a letter to the rights of the indigenous people. Are you familiar with that?
I don't care what the Pope says. The Pope has no impact on the
Okay, well, then
jurisdiction of
let's
this
move
court.
forward, Your Honor.
Huh?
Let's move forward. Whatever you decide. I also asked him for his oath of office and the prosecutor's oath of office.
Okay.
I have your oath of office. I just wanted to have those paperwork.
Okay.
From my
Anything
record.
else you want to say?
Nope, I'm here.
Okay, so we're going to have this trial, jury trial, January 20th at 8 a.m. And you will be provided the jury questionnaires like you normally are. And you've, unless you have changes to your trial briefs, I've already got those. And anything else that we need to discuss regarding this trial?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Mr. Matthews?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, then you guys, everybody needs to be here at 7:45 on Tuesday morning.